All right, what's up, everybody? Wednesday here, and we're pretty much back to being busy here. So let's kind of show you what we've done. Monday, we didn't really do a whole lot. We had to take Mom to the doctor's, and it was just a really fucked up day. So we have a bunch of parts here that are primered. We're gonna get those finished up today. We have some headers here where we missed a couple spots on them. They need a little touch-up work, so we're gonna do those, get those touched up here. We have another set of headers that we did yesterday in this sweet titanium color that I like. Those are actually good to go. Those sprayed out super easy. And then, wire. And then we have a whole bunch of parts here in the bins. Some new stuff: air tank, strut bar, a couple small bracket pieces. These two tubs are actually full of parts that are gonna get coated today. But first thing, we have a set of wheels we got to take to belt tire to get dismounted, and yeah, that'll work. So off we go, and I will update a little bit later here. All right, quick little midday Wednesday update. First off, got the tires removed from these wheels, so those are back so we can strip them. We have our first rack of parts done. We have some ceramic coating we had to touch up that's in the oven, baking out here at this point. So that's cool. And now we're going to work on second rack of parts here that's going to require some masking. And then we've just got a couple other things to finish up. So we're going to, like I said, get these wheels stripping and start working on masking stuff for the second rack. The biggest problem today now is everything else I have requires quite a bit of masking. So off we go. Cue the time lapse on the masking, I guess. Sure.
That's right.
All right, everybody, here we are. Thursday update. We are headed back to the blaster here. I got quite a bit coated yesterday. Like I said, I'm about one rack short of what I wanted to get done yesterday. Got two sets of wheels and some bench parts in. Already got the, we're really, there we go. Already got the truck loaded here with parts. So we are off to sandblast here and hopefully finish out this week pretty strong. All right, what's up, everybody? Here we are back from the blaster now. So let me show you here. We got a truckload. That's spread out. Truckload of parts, set of wheels, whole tub full of parts that are blasted. So now we can start coating and getting these other sets of wheels stripped and everything. So two sets of wheels and a bench has to be stripped. So those got to be stripped. But first, I got to move all this stuff. I can't wait to get the new part of the shop built so I don't have to move bikes in and out every single day. That would be awesome. Absolutely awesome. We'll see what we get done today.
Right.
this is exciting. Oh, it's horrible. Oh, it's horrible. Better. Oh boy. This is our brand new Wagner spray gun. Super excited about this. Super pumped to finally have one with the all the proper stuff. So I just wanted to see it. I'm gonna leave it in here till tomorrow, but I wanted to see it. This is awesome. All right, so that's gonna wrap up Friday here. We got some stuff done today. We did get these wheels all sandblasted, so we have those wheels, these parts here, ready to go. And then we got these parts hanging on the rack here all primered. So some of them are just primered, some of them have to get color coded too. But anyway, so we got all that stuff done. We got a couple cool things coming up for this weekend here. The main one being tomorrow, we have the Dutchboys Hotrods open house. We work with Dutchboys, so we will be going to that. So yeah, that's what we're doing. And we'll catch back up tomorrow while we're at the car show. All right, we're out here at the Dutchboys open house and car show. And we parked the old shit tent in the car show. So it's great. It looks like hell compared to most of these, but that's all right. So anyway, we got El Chico with us, and she's excited to see some cars.
That's right.